Going cashless is a trend that's been growing in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Digital payment methods, such as credit and debit cards, mobile payments, and online bank transfers, offer a number of advantages over cash, including greater efficiency, security, and convenience. Weatherization service companies are no exception, and transitioning to digital payments can help these businesses reach new customers and reduce costs. Square, one of the most well-known mobile point-of-sale systems, can be an ideal solution for weatherization companies in order to make this transition to digital payments. Square offers a free credit card reader that can be used with a smartphone or tablet, allowing companies to process credit and debit card payments quickly and easily. Additionally, the Square platform provides a suite of tools for businesses, including inventory management, service sales reporting, track payroll, and customer management. Weatherization companies also get an extra benefit. They get access to Square Capital, a line of credit to purchase equipment, expand their services, or even hire more employees. Having access to these types of financing options can be particularly beneficial for weatherization companies, which may require a significant initial investment to go cashless. Thanks for watching. If you own a weatherization company and haven't set up a free account with Square yet, now's the perfect time. Square offers secure and easy-to-use payment processing, helping you streamline your business operations and take payments on the go. Click the link below to sign up for a free account today and experience the benefits of modern, hassle-free payments. Don't wait, take control of your business's financials with Square. See you in the next video.